This is a 2017 Honda Civic. What happened is they busted out the keyhole and they got in and installed the airbags. You know, it's been a hot item for the past 8-9 years on these Honda. She has a factory alarm system, and what happens is with these factory alarms, you know, they don't have any type of glass break-in sensor or any shock sensor or any type of sensor. It only works basically if somebody opens the door. So what we do is we add the shock sensor, so if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole or they try to bust out the window, the alarm will fire off. I'm going to go ahead and tap her in the glass. That will fire off the alarm. They try to bust out the rims, you know, the lug nut locks. To take the rims, the shock sensor part will pick up the impact, and that will fire off the alarm. Or they try to bust out the keyhole. We also do bypass. There's a wire that we do a bypass in the vehicle. So in the event that they bust out the keyhole, it does not shut off the factory alarm, because what happened in these Hondas, the way Honda has it, in case your remote control ever goes bad, you remove the little key from the fob and you stick it in the door and turn it, and that will shut off the factory alarm, because they don't want you to bother your neighbors by the time you get in and open the door and start the car. So we bypass that wire with the kit. The kit allows us to do the bypass. So in essence, if somebody comes back and they try to bust out the keyhole, it will not shut off the factory alarm. The minute they open the door, it will also trigger the alarm. So yeah, this upgrade is crucial on these Honda Civic. They like to, and this one is at risk for airbag theft. A little bit for tires, but mostly is for airbag theft. And the Honda Accords is rims and tires and airbags. So if you guys have these type of vehicles and you want to upgrade your factory alarm system without having to install another alarm and carry another fob around, give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. That's Auto Alarm Specialist. And yes, we do have free mobile service. We can service and add this kit at your home or your office. Thank you for watching this video.